Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on threads we got settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about threads. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of threads and you will click here. And then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.